All right, so I just received this in the mail. This is the Cine LR7 by iFlight. So I haven't seen any kits being unboxed, just the full drones. So as far as I know, this is the first official kit, or at least, oh, sorry, just do that. Throw this to the side over here. All right, let's see what's in here. So nice and sealed. Box says iFlight 7 Cine LR7 frame kit. Pretty nice. Box is pretty small for a 7-inch. Okay, let's see what we got in the box. We have the side plates, and I should probably fit that to the 04 to make sure it's actually made for the 04, because I don't want to run into the problem with the other one. Okay, got my antenna adapters, battery plug, terminals. It's got an LED board. Oh, that's nice. I wonder if it comes with LEDs. Oh, it does come with LEDs. That's pretty cool. Another control board right there for the LEDs. Nice, that's good. Oh, and it's got, whoa, I did not know this. It looks like it's got fiber optic cables. Do these arms light up? I'll have to check that out. That'd be pretty cool. All right, there's a battery pad, standoff posts and screws. We have the injection molded plastic for the antenna, GPS. Oh, GPS slides right in there. That's awesome. Cool. Then we have the GoPro mount, also injection molded. Some TPU parts. Nice. 2 battery straps. Hardware. Whoa, that's pretty nice looking. The plates for the 04 mount. Aluminum, of course. More injection molded parts. These are the butts, feet, stickers, instructions, and the frame. Let's see what's in here. All right, I see something already that I like, that I did not know about. Okay, so we have the plate for the, now this is what I was, look at that. So the fiber optic cable goes in here, or the line. So these arms do light up. That's pretty neat. That just like the Evoke. So that's pretty cool. So that's interesting. Nice. Another plate. I think this is the bottom plate, mid plate. I don't know, one of the plates. I'll look at the directions. It's a bottom plate. The one for the arms. I don't know what this is for. Then, man, that's a lot of parts. So there we go. So I'll test it to make sure it fits with the 04, but that's looking promising so far. So thanks for watching. So this is again the Cine LR7 by iFlight. This is a frame kit. So I'm excited to get this going. I'm glad it came with the LEDs. That's pretty nice. All right, thanks for watching.